it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Naima You Are. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm just gonna do like a showing of how I made my bubble coat with Quick Sew 3678. I used the extra large / medium combination. You'll see what I mean. I'm no professional. I'm just showing what it is that I done did. So stay tuned. Here I am just cutting out the pattern, obviously. B was supposed to be what I was cutting out. I did end up cutting it a little longer, which was view A, but you'll see toward the end it won't matter. Yeah, I pinned it. I'm cutting it out in the orange fabric that I actually bought over a year ago. I just decided to get to it. This part was, fairly easy, self-explanatory. It was 4 different pieces: the front, back, sleeves, and the collar. And I just cut them all out. I cut out the lining, which was black. Then I was pinning the sides together, the front to the back, just the side seams, as you can see here. And this is the batting. This is the stuff that makes it fluffy on the inside. I just laid it on top, and you're supposed to sew like the side seams to the batting, which is a headache. As you can see, it's like hella fluffy, and my sewing machine really ain't built for that, but I did my best. And now I have to go down to make like the puffer lines. So what I did was count down 6 inches and then just mark it with a pencil. Just mark it real lightly. I mean, I don't know what fabric, other people might be using, but on this fabric it was pretty easy. So I would just go down 6 inches, sorry, and just go across. Yeah, this made it easier. Go across with the yardstick to go all the way, across the jacket instead of pulling out the tape measure. And then you sew on those lines, which is yet again a hassle. But this wasn't that bad. It wasn't that chunky. But see, what I had did was I doubled up on my batting because I thought it would make it more like, poofier. You know what I mean? I thought it would make it look better. Big mistake. I don't recommend. Just do 1 layer. Unless you have like a different machine that can handle that. But anyway. So this is what it looks like after you're done sewing all your lines. It's not like perfect, but it's okay. And so I'm cutting out the excess batting material. Just cutting out like around the armholes and stuff like that. And here I am pinning together the front and the back, so that I can get like a shoulder, you can put it on like a vest after that. And you do the same with the sleeves. Cut them out, sew it to the batting, make the lines on it, and yeah. Okay, so here's the lining. I just lined it up to make sure the pieces fit. And then you do the same thing you did with the orange fabric, and you sew the side seams together. And here I'm just lining it up to make sure it makes sense. So this way I did it. I wish I didn't do that either, but I pinned it with leaving the bottom open, if that makes sense. Like I pinned around the shoulders, and yeah, I pinned around the shoulders. I'm even getting overwhelmed. Yeah, I left the bottom open. I wish I would have did it the other way so that the bottom would have been like finished, but that's what I done did. I ended up going back and fixing it, but that's coming up in a little while. Then I went up the side seams and I sewed those as well. This is what it looks like. And now I'm working on the sleeve. You see how chunky that is? Like, that was hell. That was, oh my god, that was bad. I could barely get it, but that's what it looks like. And then I would fold the sleeve over itself and then sew it. What had happened was my machine just kept jamming, the thread kept jamming, so I tried to hand sew it to the rest of the coat, and it went left, but you'll see in a minute. All right, so real quick, it's the next day. This coat is just not I just realized that I cut it to the A pattern and not the B pattern, which is what I was supposed to have done anyway. But like, it's just so many things that I did. Like, I'm like, why did I do this? And because I had doubled that up. I think you only really supposed to use like one layer, and I doubled it up so you can see it's like, it's 2 pieces, and it makes it too chunky for my sewing machine. So because I'm a perfectionist, I'm going back and I'm gonna redo it. I was supposed to cut right here, not all the way down here, or cut like right here. So I'm going back, I'm gonna do it again, and I'll just skip all the bullshit and just show you the end result. Okay, bye. So I'm just skipping all the cutting out and all of that good stuff. I just recut the shorter version of the jacket, and I did my lining. I sewed it along the bottom instead of the top. This is me flipping it inside out, or you know, whatever. So this is what it's looking like without the sleeves and without the collar. Kind of like it. It definitely fits better than the other one. I could actually close it up. This is just with one what do you call it, one layer of batting instead of 2, and I cropped it. I mean, that's the length it's supposed to be. So yeah, the lining in, like I said, the sleeves won't have lining because I ran out. So I'm gonna put the sleeves on, and then the original collar I cut out for this one, I'm just gonna use for this one. There's no point in cutting out a whole nother one because I'm not gonna finish this. It's gonna end up getting repurposed somehow. I don't know. I'll probably turn it into a purse or something. I don't know. But oh child, I'm tired. Oh yeah, there I am. Yeah, I'm tired. Alright. Okay, so I'm done. This is my version of the puffer coat. I shortened it, which is what it was supposed to be. The collar that they had, I don't really understand how that was supposed to go, I want to be honest. And at this point, I don't care. It's been 2 days. I'm exhausted. And it was kind of whack anyway, so I wanted to add my own little twist to it, like with the whole mixed media thing. So I added denim, like a denim jacket, like cuff as my collar. I know my hair is ready. I don't have any pockets. I might add pockets later. Definitely not today. I might add a zipper, but for the most part, because my titties be tittying, I don't really care for buttons and zippers. Like, I always rock my stuff open anyway, because if I close it, it just looks dumb. Like, it just be tight, like. And I don't like that look anyway. I'm standing on my tippy toes because I'm short. But yeah, so old girl, this one, I don't know, I might let my mom play with it if she wanna repurpose it. It's just so chunky. I made it way too chunky. I can barely get it under the sewing machine. That was a really big mistake, but I ain't throwing it out. That was a lot of work, and I'm gonna do something with it. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's warm as hell. I prefer it as a vest. I liked it better as a vest. I hate putting sleeves on, so the sleeves are far from perfect, but I mean, I would wear it. It's not a big deal. It fits well. It's cozy. I definitely want to do some more colors and, like, you know, add little stuff to it, make it more original, more different. I might paint on some coming up next fall, winter. But this was just like something I wanted to do. This been a year. This fabric just been sitting here, so I'm tired. I'm gonna go eat or drink something. But thank y'all for watching. I hope this video isn't like all over the place. I hope you're able to follow it. It's like a guideline. I'm not a professional whatsoever. Just a regular chick that loves fashion. And yeah, if you enjoy it, please subscribe, leave a comment. You can hit me up on either my personal IG, Naima Noir, Naima_Noir, or Mixed Media IG. You can follow our TikTok, Official Mixed Media, and of course shop at mixedmediaapparel.com. You don't know how happy I am to be done. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.